Hello, all my dear students of Full English. I hope you all are doing good. So here I have come up with a small video for you all explaining the new book launch which we are making today for CA Final Direct Tax May 2025 and November 2025. So here I am talking about my concept book, that is my color easy notes relevant for your attempt of May 2025 and November 2025, which is now available for sale all on our websites. So I would like to tell a few things about it, how exactly the book is and what is the coverage of the books, what all things are covered in the book. And once you do this book, are you supposed to refer any other thing in this world? So first of all, this book is called as Colored Easy Notes and it is relevant for your May 2025 and November 2025 exam. If you are giving exams for CMA, then June and December. So it is for May 25 and November 25. First thing. Second thing, this is fully updated as per the latest Finance Act. Now, you all might be aware that this year there has been two Finance Act because there has been two budgets due to the elections. One budget came pre-election, one budget came post-election. So this book is fully updated as per both the budgets. And both the budgets are applicable for your exams. Even though in the first budget there was not any amendment, but still most of the amendments are done in the post-election budget only. But the point I am trying to say, this is fully updated for your exams. This book covers everything. It covers all the Finance Act 2024 amendments which are relevant for your exams. It covers all the ICAI case laws which are there in the ICAI material. It covers all the CBDT notifications and circulars which are relevant for your exams. You don't have to touch anything after you do the provisions and your studies from this particular book. So this is the first thing that I had to say. Now this book is completely colored book in which we have used certain colors to denote certain things. Like. First of all, we are using red color for some important points to be highlighted. Now, as a student, you also have a habit of highlighting important things in your book, which is very good to remember and for last day revision. But in case you miss anything, then don't worry. Everything in the book is highlighted wherever there is some important point. Let me show you. Suppose this is first chapter. Okay. In this, everything is highlighted wherever it is some important point. This is highlighted. See, wherever I am highlighting, wherever it is in red color, just understand that that is an important point that you need to remember very carefully. So entire book is highlighted like this. Secondly, all the amendments in the book which are relevant for your exams, which has been recently amended by the Finance Act 2024, are covered in green color, as you can see over here. In the first chapter itself, there is some amendment you can see over here. So there is some amendment made by the Finance Act number 2, 2024. That is the second Finance Act, second budget after the election. So it is given in green color over here, so that on the day of examination, amendments are very important. In the exam, at least 20 to 25 marks comes from amendment. So on the day of examination, as a student, you should have a special focus on what? Special attention on the amendments. And that's the reason we have put all the amendments in green color. Okay, as you can see over here. One more thing that we have done over here. That is, because in this year, the budget has come in between the year. That is on 23rd July 2024 is the date of budget. So there are a lot of amendments, especially capital gain amendments, which has come from the middle of the year. There are so many amendments in this year which has come from 23rd July. There are so many amendments which came from 1st October. There are some amendments which came from 1st of Jan 2025. So in that case, I have an experience of last 13 years of teaching direct tax to CA final students. And I have seen 3 budgets so far. 2014 budget, 2019 budget, 2024 budget, where there has been a union election. And in every time there is a union election, the budget comes in between the year, that is in the month of July mostly. And whenever the budget comes, the amendments, many amendments come from middle of the year. So in that case, as a student, you are supposed to remember the pre-budget scenario also, the post-budget scenario also, because the amendment came from middle of the year. Like for example, let me show you for capital gains. Pay attention. In capital gains, they have made so many amendments from when? From 23rd of July. Just a second. Now see here. In the capital gains, the first amendment is from definition of capital asset. Till 22nd July, the definition was different. From 23rd of July, the definition is different. So in that case, you have to do both. Sir, how can you say we have to do both? Why we should not only do the amended part? No. You can check the ICI material also. Even in the ICI material, they have covered both. They have also given in the same manner that I have made it. My book was made before them, please. We have made this book in July only. July 2024. ICI made this book in the month of October 24. So even ICI is covering both the provisions. Pre-amended, post-amended. Only for which amendments? Which are coming from middle of the year. Suppose if the amendment is there from the very first day of the financial year, that is from 1st April 2024, if an amendment is there, then you don't have to do the old one. Then you do only the new one. So here, see, they have seen. So we have also done like that only. Till 22nd July, what is the position? And from 23rd July, what is the position? Okay. Similarly, in TDS, they have made some amendments like this. In TDS chapter also, you can check here. From middle of the year. See here. In TDS, 5% till 30th September, 2% from 1st October. 5% till 30th September, 2% from 1st October. 5% till 30th September, 2% from 1st October. Few more provisions are there. 2% from 1st October. Okay. 5% till 30th September. 1st October, 0.1%. Before that, 1%. So everywhere, in many chapters, they have made amendment from middle of the year. There are many other provisions also where they have made provisions from middle of the year. So we have put both the positions in our book. Don't worry about it. Okay. Everything is very precisely covered in our book. You don't have to touch anything except whatever is written in the book. You study that and then you do our question bank. That's enough. For question bank, I'll be making a separate video. What exactly is the coverage of our question bank and how to go about with the question bank. Okay. Now coming to the next highlighting point of our book. The next highlighting point of our book is it covers all the ICI case laws, and all the ICI case laws are covered over here in blue color. Wherever there is a case law, you will find out in blue color. See, this is blue color. This is blue color. This is blue color. This is blue color. Can you see this? This is blue color. So if there is any ICI High Court, Supreme Court judgments which are relevant for your exams, everything is there in the blue color. Okay. Next, wherever there is a section number, we have highlighted that in a separate color, purple color. Why, sir? So that a student can specifically see the section numbers in different color. It will help him to retain that number. Remembering a section is the choice of a student. Some students write section number in the exam. Some students don't write section number in the exam. But if you write, it's better. If you don't write, it's okay. But if you write, it's better. Something is better. Something is better. At least some sections you should write in the examination. For that purpose, we have highlighted them separately. Now, last but not least, we have made small compilations of different topics. Like for example, once the business and profession is done, okay, suppose your business and profession topic is done, then we have made a compilation of that entire topic here. Check here to interlink the entire topic, to summarize the entire topic. Like you would have done CA in its CA Enter also business and profession. There are many sections in business and profession which talks about manufacturing and production. So we have compiled all of them over here. So these are the sections in which there is a manufacturing or production of any article or thing. There are many sections in which there is a mention of company. So these are the sections in which the government says that this benefit is only available to companies. There are many sections in which the benefit is only available to Indian companies. So these are the sections to which only Indian company will be benefited. So there are some sections where there is an amortization of the deduction. It is not allowed in 1 year. It is allowed over the year. So these are the sections in which there is an amortization. So like that, we have done interlinking of that. Similarly, for your ease of understanding and for ease your remembrance, there are a lot of time limits which you have to remember as a student in CA final. Lot of time limits. There are a lot of time limits you need to remember, especially in the chapter of assessment procedure. So we have compiled all of them over here. Check. All the time limits are covered over here. All. Whatever is relevant for your exam from assessment procedure, all of them are covered over here. Some of them are amended also by Finance Act 2024, okay, which we have dealt in our class. So these are some of the things that I had to say about my book. This book is fully updated as per the latest Finance Act. This book is fully updated as per the pre-amendment and post-amendment scenario. If the amendment came from middle of the year, if it came from 1st October, then you will also find the situation till 30th September and then from 1st October. If the provision is amended from 23rd July, you will find the position till 22nd July and from 23rd July. It covers all the ICI case laws. It covers 100% syllabus except 2 topics which are not there in our book, which is not very important also for CA final. One is clubbing of income, which you would have done in CA Enter also. And second one is some faceless assessment charts are there which are not covered. Those 2 topics are there in the soft copy on our website, aarishkhan.com, free resources. I'll just show you. Apart from that, everything which is there in your ICI material, everything is comprehensively covered, yet at the same time concisely covered. Comprehensively. Comprehensive means no provisions are left. Concise means it is covered in a very concise manner, so that on the day before examination you are able to revise it. Okay. So this is what I had to say about my book. Now, if you want to order this, you can order from our website. This is our website, aarishkhan.com. You can go to our website, aarishkhan.com, here, books, and then you can go to CA/CMA final and you can order from here. Okay. And for those two small topics, we have already uploaded those two small topics over here in our free resources, not very important for exams. Okay. So that's it from my side. I hope you will enjoy learning from my book, and from this book only I will be uploading the revision videos also for my full English students also. You also know that there is no teacher in this entire country who puts revision video both in English as well as Hindi. I think so. I am the only one, at least in direct tax I can say. I am the only one who do justice with full English students also, along with my Hindi students. So I believe in giving equality to both of them. You can check my November 2024 stuffs on my YouTube channel. Everything that I have put for my Hindi students, I have tried my best that I should put for English students also. If not, at least 90% of the Hindi stuffs I have put for the English students also. At least all the important things I have done it for you all. So all the revision videos, MCQ videos, everything will come for you all also. Okay. Till then, take care all of you. Bye.